Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can screen record your video, like your things, like how you can screen record anything. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to click on screen record, and then you have to click on this icon. Then your screen recorder will automatically start, like it will automatically start working. So that's how you can use screen recorder so easily. That's it for today, guys. That's how you can use screen recorder so easily. And also guys, I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to our channel, because most of you guys don't subscribe to our channel, and after watching the video most of you go away. So that don't do those, guys. Just subscribe to our channel, because we are making so many informative videos. Those will help you guys. So I hope you guys will subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and stay with us. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to this channel.